Today we're going to be having a look at and upgrading this 70 odd year old fairy. So this has been in the family for many years. She's seen a lot of Christmases. She's not intact. She's just well used, well loved. She's supposedly missing a crown off the top, and also I think she was supposed to be holding a wand as well. As for the 70 years old, that's just a wild guess because this is late 50s, early 60s, so it's not far off. But I had it on top of the tree, and I've been asked what have I put up around the house this year. The actual tree that we got in the living room, it was Aldi, it was $16.99, best of a bad bunch. It's a little bit thin up top, but it's a real tree. It's luck of the draw. They all come in random shapes and sizes, and you use what you've got. And I wanted to try out the Aldi Yuletide nostalgia lights on it. I've used the Jingle Bells. Link to a video up top as we unbox them. They're not that great a quality, but there's plenty of them to do this little tree. It's just over 5 foot tall, and there was plenty of lights to put on the tree, and they actually look quite good, especially with this sequence that we've got on the light mode. Usually I have it static, but just thought I'd try the slow fade on and off feature. And the old angel was on top, and I was browsing Temu or Temu, whichever you want to call it, and I was just looking to see what kind of Christmas stuff that they had, and they had this for like 89p, and it's similar to the little strings of lights that you put inside bottles. This one's got a contact switch on it. It's not a very pleasant little box, but it's very bright, and it comes with different modes. But a static mode, and I was wondering what to do with it. I was going to put it in a bottle, but I had an idea, and I thought maybe we can upgrade the old fairy with some LED lights. Just something different. We'll see how it goes. So that was like pulling teeth. It was all tangled up. It's quite long. Goes from the little box here. As you can see, it's a big, massive old strand. It looked really good in a box. In a bottle. The gaps between the bulbs are about that. It's about 10 centimeters. Just trying to think how many are actually on it. Let's have a little count. Turn them on. 20 on a string. So we'll have a little play. I think I'll start by hiding the box around the back. I'll probably just let it hang down, or I'll wrap it around her leg like this. When you're dealing with things as cheap as this, it doesn't need to be fancy. Just bring the strand up, and we'll do a little time lapse as I play with it. So we've done this so far, just tried to blend it in with the background. A little test. Pull some of the lights out a bit more. And I think that'll do it. A little bit of a little quick, cheap and easy project, just to upgrade a little ancient fairy. Let's have a look and see what it's like in the dark. And there she goes. That's all she wrote. I'm happy with that. Might not be to everybody's taste, but I quite like it. And the RD lights are working quite well. I hope everybody had a good Christmas. Look forward to the new year. And I'll catch you on the next one.